It's Hamza.
And it's Jibril.
And together we are the Yacobi brothers.
Today, since we're so excited, because we're making our first slime ever. And we're going to be making fluffy slime and
Clear slime. And also, we want to say that we're really sorry for missing those 2 days. School, homework, studies, all that stuff.
And
also an announcement that we're only going to be posting once a week on Mondays. Yeah, that's really sad, but hey, school, studies, so yeah. So anyway, as Jibril said, we're making fluffy slime and clear slime, so let's get started. Alright guys, so we're starting off with the clear glue, and here are all the ingredients.
1 cup of water, a half of a cup of clear glue, 1 teaspoon of borax, and a bit of pink glitter to add with it.
And for this DIY, we have 2 bowls for the slime.
And Hamza will explain.
The smaller bowl, we're going to be mixing the water and the borax powder. And for the bigger bowl, we're going to be adding the glue and the glitter. Then after that, when you're choosing the mix, we're adding the borax solution into the glue. Alright guys, so let's get started. Alright guys, so I'll start with the borax solution. You gotta be very careful.
That's water.
Easy? Yeah, water.
And I'll be adding the borax.
No, actually, Jibril, borax can hurt people with sensitive skin, so dip. And now, I'll be mixing it until it dissolves.
Ugh!
Yeah, Jibril, you don't inhale the fumes. Trying not to breathe. Alright guys, borax solution is mixed, and now Jibril gets to put the glue in the bowl.
Because glue's not even dangerous, but if you use
white
white glue, it's okay. If you use white,
Just
if
do
you
a little
use
more
a
mixing.
DIY white glue
Alright, now Jibril
as
got
hand
the sanitizer.
sanitizer,
Wow.
it'll be very dangerous. You won't be able to open your hands unless you wash your hands.
That's with super glue, Jibril. Regular glue on hand is really easy to get off, but super glue, I've had experiences. And now Jibril,
Get off!
it's fine, Jibril, it's fine. Alright, Jibril, here's the
Don't
glitter.
need at all!
Jibril, just add the glitter.
Okay.
Yeah, just take glitter.
And we're not going to use this part.
Yeah, like
And
that.
a little bit.
I'll tell you what's up. We have just enough. Jibril, you have to Jibril, just do it straight down. Straight down like that. Here, I'll just do it.
Okay, that's enough. Now I'll mix.
Actually, we need a lot more glitter. Actually,
I need to dry this thing.
oh, there you go.
I need to dry this
Yeah, well, that's what I call glitter. That's what I call
thing. Okay,
glitter.
stop it. You're overlapping like Collins always does.
What do you mean? Jack Collins Keys, one of the best slime makers ever. And that's enough glitter. So now Jibril gonna do a little bit of mixing.
Wow, it looks so glittery. Guys.
All right, Jibril, that's enough.
Look at this.
Jibril, enough.
Whoa. Starting
And now I'll add. Now we're gonna be really. Now I got the teaspoon.
Whoa, it's acting out.
Jibril, it doesn't active orange. Now I'm gonna put some. Whoa, Jibril, enough stirring, okay?
I need to make a circle.
You don't have to, Jibril. We need to add the borax and water first. Alright, so first.
How much?
What, a teaspoon?
1 or 2?
We'll just slowly keep adding it. Mix this.
Oh my God.
Whoa! It's actually mixing together, guys. Alright, do a little bit more, Jibril?
This is our first slime, not failure. The other slime was dull.
Yeah, every time we made slime before, like it always ruined it. Maybe I'll add a little bit more. Oh man,
Thanks. Oh my God, this is our first not.
Alright, now I want to do a little bit of stirring, Jibril. I like stir too.
Whoa.
Some of it's gotten on my hands. Alright, my turn.
Got some borax on my hands.
Oh no.
I can rub it on my pants.
Maybe, alright, I think that, alright, it's gotten a little too hard to mix together this spoon, so now when that happens,
We'll go out in our hands.
no, I want to start first, fine, Jibril will start first, alright,
you
first
feel
we'll add a little bit
satisfied.
more, alright, just put it out,
Well, I'm not gonna do this part. Hamza will.
yeah, I'll do this.
Guys, with my hands. Okay, now can I do it?
Whoa, this is really sticky. That's some sticky slime.
We need some more.
Well, when you get borax on your hands, clean it as soon as you're done with the slime. Or else some have sensitive skin. So,
It's not working.
stop, don't jinx it. Don't jinx it, Jewel.
I hope the next one, if this one's a failure, I'll be so sad. Hamza, get the stuff out my hands.
Alright guys, so here's the final slime. We didn't add all the borax because borax solution because it would ruin the recipe. So now we're going to be making the fluffy slime. And yeah, just before we make that, here's a little look of it. So now we're going to move on to the fluffy slime. Let's get started. Alright guys, it's time for the fluffy slime. Here are the ingredients.
We have some glue with
half a cup of clear glue,
some
shaving cream,
and some
for the
contact lens
activator we have
solution.
contact lens solution.
It's actually
Alright
water.
guys, no it's not, it's contact lens solution, you have chemicals in it.
What?
Alright guys, let's get started. Alright, let's start.
I wanted to do that part.
Yeah, you don't have even know you
I am.
Whoa!
Whoa, that looks so bright.
Looks
Now we put the
beautiful.
shaving cream.
No shaving cream yet. First, we're gonna scoop all that glue out
Yeah,
so that we don't get any stragglers in there. No stragglers.
and like,
This glue's not in a big hurry to leave. Well, you got it. Too bad, bro.
yeah, too bad. Too sad.
Here, too bad.
What if
Alright, there
this
you
was
go.
actually open and
Now, so just a little bit more. That's
now
enough.
it's the shaving cream.
And now, yeah, fill this with shaving cream.
Ready?
Just this, the number.
Ooh.
Jewel,
I forgot to shake it.
that fart sound is natural.
I forgot to shake it.
It's good. It won't really affect it. Oh, enough! Whoa! Okay, now go in there. Whoa! This foam doesn't. This shaving foam doesn't want to. Doesn't want to
This
leave.
one
Huh?
stays there,
The shaving cream doesn't want to leave, huh? Alright, just.
but you have to leave.
Yeah, we need to. We want to move this slime. Oh man, it's totally ruining the color. That's the thing.
We should put some more glue, I think.
No, Jewel, actually, like the way the yellow, the brightness of the yellow and the whiteness of the shaving cream and everything, it actually looks, kind of looks like yogurt.
Oh yeah,
We're not making yogurt slime. This ain't edible.
and also after
cream.
that, we're gonna be putting.
Activator.
So do we put it now?
A little bit more mixing. Alright guys, so we've mixed it. Now we're gonna add the contact lens solution. Jewel, alright, I'll tell you what's up. No, yeah, it's enough.
I'll
now,
put it be mixed.
okay, fine. I'll let you mix that.
Whoa!
Oh wow, it's forming.
It smells weird. Ugh.
Maybe it needs a bit more. It don't matter than how much contact lens solution.
Whoa, forming.
Okay, I want to do a little bit mixing. I want to do mixing.
It's getting hard to mix.
Yeah, Jewel, I want to do some mixing now.
Let's try to stretch
Stragglers?
it. Try to stretch it with the spoon. Oh, it needs some more contact lens.
Yeah. Alright guys, so now everything's mixed and the slime is done.
Yeah.
I want to give it a first stretch. Wow, no wonder they call it fluffy slime for a reason.
I'm gonna feel this.
And now Jewel, it's your turn now.
Whoa.
Yeah.
How come your hands look like that? My hands look like this.
Well, maybe it's because I mixed it a little bit earlier before you did it. Alright guys, so now this is the end. Now we're gonna compare the two slimes. To be honest, the fluffy slime is way more stretchy. I mean, this one's not that bad until the stretchy is. I mean, it can be more stretchier. Yeah, fuck them. So alright guys, so that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a thumbs up
and
and subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications. We'll be posting every Mondays now. Your Curry Brothers over and out.